Hello everyone, today we'll be making a Bible verse black sign, so let's get to crafting, shall we? So for this project, you are going to need 2 blocks that are cut from a 1x3 board. And they will be 3 7/8 by 2 3/8. Now that we have our blocks, you just have to go and paint them. I will be painting mine white. Once your blocks are painted white, it is time to make your design in Cricut Design Space. So for this design, I chose to do Philippians 4, 6-7. So now that we have our design in Cricut Design Space, it is time to measure how big we can make our words. I can make mine up to a 1/2 inch wide. So once you know your measurement, go and size it accordingly in Design Space. Now it is time to load your mat. Then it's time to cut it out. Then it's time to weed it out. So cut your design apart, transferring your Bible book and then its reference onto the top and the bottom. Now take some tacky glue and glue your 2 blocks together. Once you have applied your glue, let it dry. So once your block sign has dried, you are going to need some ribbon and some twine to add the finishing touches. I'm going to cut out 2 lengths of twine, then cut a length of ribbon. Grab your sign, and then it is time to lay out your twine and ribbon. I'm going to be alternating the twine with the ribbon. Then lay your block sign, and I will just be putting this on the edge, then tie it on the top. Then trim down the edges. Then grab some tacky glue and secure down the ends of your ribbon and the knot. Then let it dry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!